So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So as a promise, I promise you guys that I will do the Huda Beauty Obsessions electric palette makeup look. So this is what I actually did today. But before we get started into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just smash that button and subscribe to my channel. If you keep seeing me watch over here, it's because I have like a screen over here and my camera is like so far away. I can barely see what's going on. I hope the quality is fine, guys. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video and we'll get this video started in 3, 2, 1, go. So if you guys have not checked out the Huda Beauty review that I did previously, I actually swatched the palette. But if you have not checked it out, I will definitely throw in the swatches at the end of the video as well, so you don't have to go back and forth in the video. Really cute. I love the colors of the shade. I love the colors of the shade. Really, I love the colors in the palette. So as you can see, I've already done like my foundation, my brows, of course, my contour and my blush. The only thing I have not done is my highlighter, so, and my eyes, of course. So for the first shade, I'll be picking up this very hot pink over here and I'm just gonna apply that all over my crease area. So I'm just gonna pick up the pink shade. Look how pigmented that is, and that is just like one dot. I am just gonna apply this all in my crease area only, guys. So of course this tutorial I will only be showing you in one eye. The other eye I will like skip forward. The video won't be so long for you guys, so I'll only do like one eye and then I'll do the other eye off camera, then I'll come back. Once there's less product in your brush, you just want to brush it upwards because I really want to go bold today, guys. So let's wipe it up. As you can see, I did not even pick up any more eyeshadow. It's the one which I've just now picked out and I worked with it. It just blended out so beautifully, guys. So I just went ahead and just took any clean brush just to go over the edges because I find that I put a little bit more pink over here, like a little bit more. So I'm like trying to soften it out. Oh yeah, and I'll leave all the brush names down at the screen so you guys know what brushes I'm using. Go bold or go home. Okay, so I am taking the red right there with a new clean brush. Just putting that at the outer corner. As you see, on my brush, I'm keeping it right at the crease, not going too high, keeping it real low, guys. A little bit more. As you see, the color actually really matched together really beautifully, the red. I am going to cut my crease right now. I'm going to take this orange over here and just put it there where I actually cut my crease. Wow. This is such a beautiful orange. Wow. Taking back the brush that I used and just go and clean out the edges a little bit. If you find that you went overboard, just go and clean it up. I want the color to have a shine on its own. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the red, a little bit more, just to blend out the outer edge. Oh wow, we have the pink on top. You can see the pink is on top. You have the red, the corner, and the orange in the center. This is so beautiful, guys. I just cannot. My mind is blown. For the bottom lashes, I will be going in with the teal at the end and the yellow right here. So I don't know how that is going to look, guys, but this video is not a planned video, guys. We go with all teal. I'm so loving the teal. Okay, after that, I am just going to go and take a clean blending brush just to blend out and soften it at the lower lash line. Wow, this look is just over the top, guys. Okay, same brush. I'm gonna take the yellow. Put the most bold look on my channel right now. So for my lower lash line, I'll be going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in LSD. So spice it up, guys. You have to be very so-called like courageous to wear this and go out. Would you wear this and go out? Would you? I would. I would wear this and go out. Would you? Pop on some Mink Adore lashes because this look deserves a grand lashes. Okay, so let's go and put that off camera and I'll be back. And for lipstick, I will be going in with the one from Huda Beauty also, and this is their mini. If you didn't check out my previous video, I actually did swatches of this fall liquid matte lipsticks. You can actually go and check out the video. So I'll be going in with Trendsetter for my lips. Let's go ahead and put on some highlighter, which that is missing. For highlighter, I'll be going in with Makeup Revolution highlighter, and this is the Reminiscence bronzer in the shade Blissful. So this is how it looks like. So you have the bronzer and the two highlighter. I like to mix these two together. Give your face that glow. We're just gonna go ahead and set all this up with the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Set Primer Setting Spray, Refreshing Spray. So yeah guys, we are actually done. We are done with this beautiful look. I really love the palette so much. So this is the finished look right here, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the description box down below. Oh no, we forgot the most important thing, guys. Mascara. I was so into this look until I totally forgot to put mascara, guys. I'm using the It Cosmetics mascara in Super Black. And yes, now we are finally done, guys.
Try to pin me down, you don't have a clue. Wouldn't understand if I showed you every bit